This is a Kawasaki 750 H2 Triple, a legendary motorcycle that was released to the unsuspecting public in 1971.
First time I saw H2s, I was a very young fella. Magazines was the where you saw stuff in those days, and you saw, right out. I really like those. You know, it's yeah. So that's where I saw an H2.
They were made for one thing and one thing only, that was to do a standing quarter mile, which they did in 13.9 seconds from the factory. They were rapid.
It was a time and space, you know. I mean, the Japanese are kind of cornered the market worldwide, but they never really thought about trying to get the thing around corners. Because back in those days, all they were concerned about was, you know, appealing to the American market where quarter mile speeds were all the rage. Let's you know, blow away the competition in a quarter mile, basically.
There was no sort of racetrack lap times. It was like standing quarter mile times, which is, over here we used to look at and go, that's a bit strange because we like to go up and down gears and around corners, but the Americans, straight line. That's what sold.
I love doing custom work, as you know, but a big brief of ours is to bring back all those iconic pieces from the past for people who love that kind of stuff. I mean, the owner of this particular bike he lives in a warehouse. So the design brief for this particular bike is it's going to live in the lounge room with all his other pretty toys, basically.
When you think about the H2, the styling was quite aggressive. They weren't soft in any way, shape or form. They weren't a very long lived model. The H2, they only brought them out in 4 years. By 76 they were done and finished. They'd brought out the 900s previously and they were running parallel with those. Yeah, they're noisy, they're smoky, they use a lot of fuel, you know, they're sort of like all the bad boy things, and they're fun. You ride one and you go, yeah, I get it.